Welcome to my YouTube channel, InfiniteSource. Unlocking the power of knowledge and wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Welcome to InfiniteSource, your go-to destination for spirituality, personal growth, and self-discovery. Thank you to all our viewers for your continued support and for helping us reach our subscriber milestones. We are grateful for the opportunity to share our knowledge and insights with you. In this video, we will explore the power of nature and the universe in helping you fulfill your deepest desires. We will discuss the importance of connecting with nature and developing a harmonious relationship with the universe. Many of us are disconnected from nature, spending our days inside buildings and staring at screens. But the natural world is a powerful force that can help us tap into our inner wisdom and connect with the universe. By spending time in nature, we can learn to listen to our intuition and develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Here are some examples of things around us in nature and the universe that can help us connect with our desires and manifest them. Trees. Trees are powerful symbols of growth and resilience. They are deeply rooted in the earth and reach towards the sky, connecting us to both the earth and the heavens. Spending time around trees can help us feel grounded, calm, and centered. Water. Water is a symbol of flow and abundance. It can help us release negative emotions and connect with our intuition. Whether it's a walk by the beach, a swim in a lake, or simply listening to the sound of rain, water can help us connect with the flow of life. Sunlight. Sunlight is a source of energy and vitality. It can help us feel more positive and uplifted, and can also provide us with important nutrients such as vitamin D. Stars. The stars are a reminder of the vastness and infinite possibilities of the universe. They can inspire us to dream big and believe in the power of the universe to help us manifest our desires. Animals. Animals can help us connect with the natural world and our own instincts. They can also provide us with important messages and guidance. For example, a butterfly might symbolize transformation, while a wolf might symbolize strength and independence. Crystals. Crystals are believed to have healing properties and can help us connect with our own inner wisdom. Each crystal has its own unique properties and can be used for different purposes, such as promoting abundance, calming the mind, or increasing focus. Essential oils. Essential oils are another way to connect with nature and the universe. They can be used for aromatherapy, massage, or simply as a way to promote relaxation and well-being. For example, lavender oil can help promote relaxation, while peppermint oil can help increase focus and clarity. Stars? Stargazing can be a peaceful and meditative experience. Looking up at the stars can also help you gain perspective on your problems and connect with the vastness of the universe. Flowers and plants. Plants and flowers can improve the air quality around you and add beauty to your surroundings. Caring for plants can also be a mindful and meditative practice. Mountains. Mountains can inspire a sense of awe and wonder. Hiking or climbing mountains can also be a physical challenge that helps you connect with your body and the natural world. Weather phenomena like rain, snow, and lightning can be powerful and beautiful displays of nature's power. Observing these events can help you appreciate the power and unpredictability of nature. The moon. The cycles of the moon can be a reminder of the cycles of life and the importance of letting go of what no longer serves us. Many people find that paying attention to the phases of the moon can help them feel more in tune with nature and the universe. Stars and galaxies. The vast expanse of the universe can help us tap into a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that exist in the world and within ourselves. Rivers, lakes, and oceans. Bodies of water can help us connect with our emotions and tap into a sense of flow and movement in our lives. They can also serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Mountains and hills. The peaks and valleys of the natural world can help us gain perspective and see the bigger picture, while also reminding us of our own strength and resilience. Animals and wildlife. Observing and interacting with the creatures around us can teach us important lessons about adaptability, communication, and survival, and can help us connect with the natural world on a deeper level. Trees and plants. The grounding presence of trees and plants can help us find balance and stability in our lives, while also serving as a reminder of the cyclical nature of growth, decay, and rebirth. We will share real-life stories of people who have transformed their lives by connecting with nature and the universe. These stories will inspire you to tap into your own inner power and start living a more fulfilling life. To begin your journey, we will provide simple steps you can follow to connect with nature and the universe. These steps include spending time in natural settings, meditating, setting intentions, and practicing gratitude. We will also offer practical tips for maintaining a healthy and harmonious relationship with nature and the universe. There are countless real-life stories of people who have transformed their lives by connecting with nature and the universe. Here are just a few examples. John Muir. John Muir was a naturalist, conservationist, and founder of the Sierra Club. He spent his life exploring and advocating for the preservation of natural environments, and his work helped to establish Yosemite National Park. Muir believed that spending time in nature was essential for spiritual and physical well-being, and his writings and advocacy continue to inspire people to this day. Richard Louv. Richard Louv is a journalist and author who has written extensively about the importance of nature for human health and well-being. His book, Last Child in the Woods, popularized the term nature deficit disorder and helped to bring attention to the growing problem of children spending less time outdoors. Louv's work has inspired parents, educators, and policymakers to prioritize access to nature for children and adults alike. Salgado. Sebastião Salgado is a Brazilian photographer who has spent his career documenting the beauty and diversity of the natural world. His stunning black and white photographs capture the majesty of landscapes and the intricacies of ecosystems, reminding viewers of the importance of preserving these fragile environments. Salgado's work has been exhibited around the world and has helped to raise awareness about environmental issues. Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai was a Kenyan environmentalist and activist who founded the Green Belt Movement, an organization that focused on reforestation, conservation, and community empowerment. Maathai believed that environmental protection was essential for social and economic justice, and her work inspired people around the world to take action to protect the natural world. These individuals, along with countless others, demonstrate the profound impact that connecting with nature and the universe can have on our lives. By recognizing the beauty and interconnectedness of the natural world, we can find inspiration, solace, and guidance in our pursuit of a fulfilling and meaningful life. Here are some simple steps you can follow to connect with nature and the universe. Spend time in nature. Make it a habit to spend time in nature every day, whether it's taking a walk in the park or simply sitting outside and enjoying the fresh air. Practice mindfulness. Take time to focus on your breath and be present in the moment. This can help you connect with the natural world around you and feel more grounded. Meditate. Meditating can help you clear your mind and connect with your inner self. You can do this outside in nature or in a quiet, peaceful space indoors. Express gratitude. Take time each day to express gratitude for the beauty of nature and the universe. This can help you feel more connected and appreciative of the world around you. Connect with others, join a nature or outdoor group, or simply spend time with friends and family in nature. This can help you feel a sense of community and connection with others who share your love for the natural world. Visualize. Use visualization techniques to connect with the universe and manifest your desires. Visualize yourself surrounded by nature and feel the abundance and energy of the universe flowing through you. Set intentions. Set clear intentions for what you want to manifest in your life, and trust that the universe will bring it to you. Be open to receiving and take inspired action towards your goals. Remember, connecting with nature and the universe is a personal journey, and there is no one right way to do it. Find what works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. It's important to note that while the power of nature and the universe can be a powerful tool for manifesting your desires, it's not a magic solution. We will discuss the importance of taking inspired action towards your goals and being mindful of your thoughts and beliefs. In conclusion, connecting with nature and the universe can be a powerful tool for fulfilling your desires and transforming your life. By following the simple steps we've discussed, such as spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, and setting intentions, you can tap into the abundant energy of the universe and manifest your dreams. Remember, the universe is always conspiring in your favor, and by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, you can attract everything you need to live a happy, fulfilling life. We hope this video has inspired you to connect more deeply with nature and the universe, and to use this connection to manifest your dreams and desires. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and spiritual development.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.